Recent cases of abductions and disappearances of children in the country has raised concern over safety of children. An 18-year-old boy who was allegedly abducted in Machakos County, sedated before he escaped from the hands of his kidnappers, narrated his experience to Citizen TV in what could be a case of human trafficking.
We met Eric, not his real name, as we have to protect his identity due to security concerns in Molem Estate, Nairobi County. He's still shaken from his kidnapping experience, which occurred on 7th June 2021 in Mitaboni, Machakos County, around midday. He narrates to us his experience in the hands of 3 abductors, 2 men and a Caucasian woman.
Kabla nivuke barabara, kakuja gari ya black Range Rover, kakuja ikasimama. Sasa kusimama ndani nikaitwa na mwanaume. Mimi nikajongea karibu, akaniuliza njia kwenda Machakos town gani. Sasa mimi kabla nifunge mdomo nimueleze, akatoka na nyuma akaniingiza kitu kwa kichwa. Sasa venye aliniingiza nikaingizwa ndani ya gari, kafunguliwa.
He was allegedly sedated by one of the men in the vehicle. In his estimation, he regained consciousness more than 7 hours later in Namanga, Kajiado County. This time round, he was in a different vehicle.
Kushtuka mali gutukia kana niko kwa Nissan yenye aina viti. Sasa mimi venye kutuka nikaangalia, nikaona watoto wawili, wasichana wawili wamefungwa midomo na kona nywele refu. Alafu kuna watoto wadogo wawili wamelala, wawili wako hapo tu wamelala bado lakini wanalia. Wakasimamisha gari mahali hakuna watu, wakasimamisha gari wakashuka wote. Sasa venye mimi nilikuwa niona mlango wa dereva kiwa wazi, nilikuwa nimefungwa mguu, nikajifungua nikapita katikati ya viti ya dereva na ya abiria hapo kando. Nikapita hapo, kapita kwa steering hapo, hivyo nikatoka nje ya gari.
After ensuring he was at a safe distance, he inquired for directions to a nearby police station, and that is how he ended up at the Namanga police station.
Upo Namanga police station, kasema sasa alikuwa anataka kunivukisha boda anipeleke Tanzania. Sasa hiyo ndio nisikia tu akiongea.
His parents, who had already reported him missing at 3 police stations, were later informed that he had been found.
Kabisha hospitali, nikaambiwa kijana ako sawa, na ile tu anaweza kunywa maziwa na kure mzuri atarikava.
Kajiado Sub-County Police Commander Daudi Lonyorokwe confirmed that the matter was reported and that his officers are still investigating the case. According to data obtained from Missing Child Kenya, 69 cases of missing children was reported between March and May, out of which 36 children are still missing, while 33 have been found and reunited with their families. HART Kenya, an organization which does awareness against human trafficking in Kenya, says children are mostly trafficked for purposes of illegal adoption and attributes the rise in the cases to hard economic times as a result of the pandemic.
When I look at Kenya, yes, it's a serious issue because we lack proper social protections. In terms of vulnerability, most Kenyans economically vulnerable.
Christine advises parents to teach their children about trafficking, the need not to engage strangers, and seeking help whenever they are in a dangerous situation.
For traffickers, the trend has been they target the most vulnerable, yeah, either be it in terms of age, be it in terms of money, economical status. We have reintegrated over 50 cases of children, inclusive of Ugandan and Tanzanian children, and 2 Ethiopians, and Tanzanian there were 5.
With police probing the matter, parents remain hopeful that detectives will crack the ring of those involved in the illegal trade, causing families sleepless nights.